Blueprinting the Duramax. Block preparation. Blueprinting a Duramax. Engine means machining and preparing the engine. Block to meet ideal factory. Specifications with extreme precision. The block prep stage is the foundation of a reliable, high-performance diesel build. Cleaning and inspection. The engine block is completely cleaned using hot tank or ultrasonic methods to remove oil, carbon, and debris. After cleaning, the block is inspected for cracks or defects using magnetic particle inspection, dye penetrant testing. Only a structurally sound block moves forward. Cylinder bore preparation. Each cylinder bore is precisely measured and corrected for taper. Out of round conditions. Honing is performed using a torque plate to simulate real engine stress. This ensures proper piston ring seal, correct surface finish, reduced blow-by and oil consumption, wood deck surface machining. The block deck is machined to achieve perfect flatness, correct parallel alignment with the crankshaft. This step is critical for head gasket sealing, proper compression ratio, high boost durability, main bearing alignment. Line boring or line honing is used to align the main bearing bores so the crankshaft runs perfectly straight. Proper alignment reduces friction, prevents bearing failure, improves long-term reliability under heavy load. A oil passage preparation. All oil galleries are cleaned and deburred to improve oil flow. This ensures consistent lubrication at high RPM, high boost, heavy towing conditions. Thread and fastener preparation. All threaded holes are cleaned and chased to ensure accurate torque values. This step is especially important when using ARP studs, high-strength fasteners. Final result. A properly blueprinted Duramax block delivers increased reliability, better power consistency, longer engine life. Perfect for performance builds, towing applications, and high-boost diesel setups.